Hello. Today we're going to talk about addiction. Today's discussion is a huge area to cover, but we'll be covering this in several videos in the future as well. See, addiction is when the body becomes dependent on the substance, cigarettes, alcohol, drugs, others. With addiction, it is normal for the body to build up a tolerance for the substance, and higher doses are taken over time. The root cause could be that you have history of emotional, mental, sexual abuse. It starts from the womb when you were 9 months old. Your mother may have been abused while she was pregnant with you. She may have lived with a partner in an environment which resulted in her body being stuck in a flight or flight mode. This may have caused the fetus to develop in a stressful environment, resulting in possible nervousness, PTSD, high blood pressure, heart problems, or depression. Once the baby is born, if there was insufficient comfort, then this sets the nervous system as sensitive and prone to emotional and stress disorders and anxiety. But the stress can be soothed quickly when there is a presence that makes the baby feel safe. It allows the stress or trauma cycle to actually complete itself, and the nervous system almost resets itself to functioning in a normal, healthy way. This has a big impact on the baby's ability to connect with its body, ability to trust, and most importantly, establish healthy connections with others. But if this doesn't happen, the baby now matures into an adult, and he or she looks for substances to soothe the nervous system with intention to reset the system to regulate and function in a normal and healthy way again. However, the act of resetting it with tobacco, alcohol, drugs do not have a long-lasting effect, and the emotional reward wears off. This causes the person to reach out to the substance again with intention of resetting the nervous system that is ultimately only searching for comfort and reassurance. Unfortunately, in most cases, the need to soothe and comfort the nervous system can cause a person to look for an escape. No matter how destructive drugs can be or other substances can be, the emotional reward and instant gratification it provides makes it worth it, even if it costs their life. So we need to make the body, reconnect the body again. We need to make the body neutral to all the feelings, emotions, and judgments that they have stored in their body. We need to make the body trust itself again. We need to make the being trust itself again. We need to make the person, all the feelings and emotions and judgments that come up during the session, those have to be neutralized. We're going to continue to talk about this, but this is the beginning. And something to watch out for. Know what the circumstances are or were of how you came to be. Sometimes it's not possible, but if it is, it's good to explore that. It's a good way to start. And with that, have a good day. Bye-bye.